Hello students, I'm here to introduce you to a wonderful new website that we are going to be using next week in class. I would like everybody to come prepared next week with their own personal login. So in order for that to happen, I need each of you to go to this website, usalearns.org. Notice the O-R-G, not C-O-M. Make sure you're typing that in correctly. And then what you are going to do is you are going to get started now because you probably don't have an account. So by clicking on Get Started, you will then create your account and click Register. Use your school Gmail that we created yesterday in class. If you need to pull up that information from your notebook to make sure you're accurate, please do so, because once you make this, we can't go back and fix it. Okay, once you've got this done, then I will begin to show you how to use this in our next quick video. Okay, good luck.